I had a full knee replacement. It was very good, really. Mr Ganapathi explained everything at my first interview, explained that he would be assisted by a robot and that we would do some x-rays. He took the x-rays and they were sent over to America, actually, for them to transfer them into 3D, so that he was able to get a full all-round picture of the knee. It was the right knee, in fact, that was going to be replaced. And he was very reassuring. He told me that exactly what he was going to do, and that he would arrange everything for me to be admitted into Murrayfield Hospital, on the Wirral, where the procedure and operation will be carried out. And he said he could arrange to do that within about 6 weeks, which is exactly the time it took for him to do the operation. Yes, he's very reassuring. He's very experienced and a very well-known doctor. He's top of his field. He reassured me exactly what he was going to do. And in fact, with the x-rays and the image that he produced on the screen, he showed me exactly where the robot was going to cut the knee. And he told me that each individual is different, and that the knee replacement will be made to fit exactly my knee as it is before the operation took place. After the operation, he came to see me and asked me how I was, and I told him I was feeling very well indeed. I had lots of movement in my right leg. I was able to lift it and bend it slightly. So he was quite pleased with that, and therefore he said, well, I'll see you in about 6 weeks' time. With that, he arranged for me to have physiotherapy. The physiotherapist came along and escorted me to the room at the hospital, where he had me climbing 3 steps, in fact, which I was able to do. And then once I was discharged from the hospital, I had an appointment to see the local physiotherapist at Colwyn Bay, Kevin Bell, who was very, very good and had me doing all sorts of exercises. And within 6 weeks, I was walking without any aids or anything like that. And when I did go back to see Mr Ganapathi, he was so pleased. He couldn't believe how quickly I recovered. So all I could say to anybody who is waiting for one of these operations, be reassured. He knows exactly what he's doing. He's very professional. He's very reassuring. And I'm very, very pleased with the outcome.